What's up guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to check if Tailscale is running on Windows. First, look at your system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you see the Tailscale icon, it means the app is running. If you don't see it, hover your mouse over your taskbar and right-click on it to open Task Manager. In the Task Manager, go to the Processes tab and look for Tailscale. If it's listed, then the app is running. You can also verify through the command prompt. Go to your search bar and find CMD. Run it as administrator and type Tailscale status. If it returns your connection details, then Tailscale is active. Another way would be to go to your Tailscale's admin console. Under the machine section, check the last seen column of your device, and if it displays there as connected, then Tailscale is active on that machine. And that's how you quickly check if Tailscale is running on Windows. Thanks for watching.